So A, restriction concerning the wearing of jewelry. It is permitted to wear jewelry outdoors on Shabbos the way it is worn during the week. Okay. Even though the jewelry is not visible when the wear is outdoors. Thus, a woman may wear a necklace outdoors even when it's covered by coat. Right? So meaning so we said it's adornment. So if it's closed, like covered, so it's not adornment, right? So but they say of course she can close your coat and go like this. Okay, no problem. However, it is forbidden to wear jewelry in a manner different than the way it is worn during the week, right? For example, if a woman has an expensive necklace and is unwilling to wear it outdoors over her dress for the fear of attracting the attention of a thief, she may not wear it underneath the dress while outdoors. When worn in this manner, it is not considered an adornment, and thus she would be considered to be carrying the necklace. So let's look at this example. So it's a very good example. So he said, our sage is very, very careful in their language. See, he said if she's wearing she would wear during the week, no problem, right? Regular way of wearing. But now, so if she has a necklace and she puts a coat, no problem. But if she has a necklace and now it's very expensive and she goes through a bad neighborhood, I go through this. Pass by, not through, but I never. One a few times I went through because of compelling reasons. But I go pass by, right? So and there are strange individuals. Let's put it this way, not ordinary, not ordinary individuals for whom prison is like second home. Let's put it this way. Right, so they come and go and stuff like that. I mean, they're not aggressive most of the time, but there is a police cars on the corners, just in case they need somebody quick, just in case. Okay, so very interesting. All right, so meaning a normal woman would want to cover the necklace with a dress, so and it would be not. It's like she's wearing not for adornment, but she's wearing for transporting to the shul where she wants to show off, right? So that's the problem. So it would be considered as she's wearing the necklace. So I'm going to read this question again. For our general question, since we mentioned that women showing off the jewelry today, I wonder if it is modest to do so. Would this be considered gava? Okay, so that's a very good question. So just a step back. So we're talking about Shabbos. So we said that in olden days, women did not wear jewelry. Why? Because practical, it was not practical, right? When she would need make a dough for the bread. Okay, so all these things, clean chicken, so they would not wear jewelry. But today, when women work in the office or there's some I don't know, some computer job, the jewelry, there is no problem. So there is no problem for women to wear jewelry. So they should not be very attractive, yes, nice. There is no problem. So it's not immodest. So it sounds like some things are immodest, like huge, something huge, some some have earrings, I don't know, huge earrings or some jewelry or some huge things. Right, there is a problem, but some modest, there is no problem. Right. There is for adornment, and women should be pretty to their husbands. Okay, if she wants a chain or something, there is no problem. Bracelet. Okay. Necklace, there is no problem. Okay. So and plus, I don't know, in today's world, since again, so the jewelry is so popular, what would you need to wear to be to attract everybody attention? It's not something crazy out of ordinary. So that would be gava. But other things right, pearls, there's no problem. Okay, so continue. Bye.